Your soul is a seed. When you incarnate first, your seed is planted and you grow a spirit tree. Your spirit tree is your tree of life. It transcends lifetimes, and each lifetime is like a branch of this tree. Your branch is flower, then the flowers die. And for many, they only flower once in a lifetime. As you learn to transcend your relationship with life and death, as it is often taught, you can flower again and again in the many seasons of your life. I invite you to embrace this truth. I invite you to transcend what you've known as normal. Welcome to wild flowing fire. Welcome to this feeling within yourself. Welcome to our community, our common unity, where we share and reinforce and help each other believe in this and be in this every day, every day. It's a way of life. It's a way of life to love life. It's a way of life to be here on earth and to recognize our true power as creator beings. And as we support each other in this trust, it gets stronger. And it transcends distance. It's not about physical distance, it's about vibrational alignment. As you attune with the beauty of your true dreams, they become you, and you become them. You don't get what you want to come to you. You come into vibrational harmony with what you truly want, shedding the layers and baggage of thoughts and interpretations and attitudes and misspent dreams. And as you shed these dreams, you learn to feel, and as you learn to feel, it all gets easier. It all gets so much easier. Because as you learn to feel, you can stay true to the true resonance that is in tune with your soul. Some people say source, the universe. I like to be here, like Gaian blood. Gaia's blood flows through us, in us, through the veins of our spirit trees. And as you learn to tune into this, the frequencies of thoughts and ways of life that are out of harmony with what you are hurt. You feel them. And this is a blessing. Many of you are exactly at this point, so much deeper than you may think. You feel pain too often. You feel stress too often. You might call it stress, akin to, just I've got too many jobs to do. I've got too many pressures on me at work. Please understand, it wouldn't hurt if you weren't in tune with what you really need. It wouldn't hurt if you don't know it and need it so deeply that you refuse to let go. Thank you for refusing to let go of what you know to be real. Thank you. You are on your way. You are getting ready to respect yourself so much more for how far you are into yourself, into the truth of the presence of your spirit tree. Your spirit tree is always here. You are your spirit. You are your inner being. Some people say higher self. I don't know about higher. It's right here. It's right in here. I know they mean frequency, but be present with this. This is about attunement, alignment. You are aligning yourself with the resonance of the earth. The heartbeat of the earth is real. It's present. It resonates on multiple frequencies. It pulses right underneath and within everything that we know. It's always here. And when we align to this, our hearts and our brains start to fire energetic, electric pulsations, and our thoughts themselves live on these pulsations. When your thoughts, the thoughts that you focus on every day, live on pulsations that are out of alignment with the harmony of the earth, you're out of harmony with your own heart. You're living out of your body. In stratospheric, atmospheric confusion, tangles, gray clouds. Your soul doesn't like that. But you have permission to stay. Undoubtedly, when we live in such confusion, we are distracting ourselves from things that feel painful. Things, elements of life, emotions, stray confusions that are, for whatever reason, more frightening to us than wasting our lives. I encourage you, I invite you to be most afraid to waste this, because it's so beautiful. And then you wake up to realize, if you want to, you can stay.